Hi, in this video I will show about our newest multi-viewer with the KVM function. So here we have this setup. Basically right now you can see here we have a 4K display here, and then we have it connect to the multi-viewer. So this is our product, the multi-viewer. This is the front panel. We have the power off and on, IR, and indicators for the HDMI and also the USB. And then the push buttons for the multi-viewer, the working mode, and the working source switching, and also the audio selection. And on the back side, right now you can check out we have the USB port, which is for the keyboard and mouse. Then we have the HDMI output. And on this side we have the 3.5 audio for the audio embedded. And then we have the 4 HDMI input with the USB-A. And here we have the USB port, which is for the upgrade. Then we have the S2 for the S2 sending commands control. And on this side, as you can see, we have the 4 PCs, and all the PCs are using the HDMI and the USB cable connect to this multi-viewer with the KVM function. So now we're going to show how to use the cable and mouse to control the 4 PCs. And basically right now you can see we have a control the first PC, which is that one, and we just start playing the music. Okay, or we can just have it not full screen, playing the music again. You can hear the sound is coming out from this speaker. And then we just have the mouse, we just stop the music, and then we just have this mouse zoom into the second one and have the pause the video, and zoom to the third PC, also pause the video, and the fourth PC. And you can see with one mouse, then we can just roam in between these 4 PCs from any position. Okay, so this is about the mouse roaming when it's cold view, and we also can just use the hotkey for the source switching and also the resolution switching, the working modes. Now if we want to have this one, the first PC as the full screen, we just use the hotkey, Ctrl F1. So now we're switch to the first PC. Okay, so on the first PC we also can use the mouse to do the controllings. Okay, so we play the music again. Okay, so if you want to switch to the second PC, Ctrl 2, you will switch to the second PC, and we just stop playing the video again. Okay, so if you want to switch to the third PC, Ctrl 3. Okay, what is the third PC? The audio also switching to the same PC. Country 4, which is switch to the fourth PC. You also can play. As you can see, when the single working mode, and it actually can support the seamless switching between the 4 sources, and we can just do switching again. Country 3, country 2, country 1. Right now it's actually seamless switching. So if we're switching the working modes, we just use the country F2. That means like 2 windows on the screen. And then country F3, which means 3 windows. Country F4. Country F4, which means the cold view. And the cold view, and we also can use the hotkey to switch in the sound. And we just do country A, and from the second. Okay, country A, and from this. So country A and 4. We can just use the hotkey for switching the mouse roaming or not roaming. Like right now we can roaming the mouse, but if we use the hotkey too, we can disable the roaming function. Country F12. Country F12. Stop the mouse roaming. Like right now we actually can have the mouse in this PC. We cannot roam into another 3 PC for the controlling. So if we want to enable the roaming function, we can just country F11. So now we can roaming between the PCs and for the country link. Okay, if we want to switch in the resolutions, we just use the same country F7, which is for a different resolution. We can check out later. We can just hit the button here, check out the resolution. So as you can see right now, the resolution is 1920 by 1200, and country F8. It will switch to a different resolution. Okay, country F9. It's going to be the 4K 30 resolution. Okay, and also can up to 4K 30, country F10. So now the resolution on this one is going to be 4K 60 Hz. Okay, if you're now switching back to the 1080p, country F6. So now we already have the resolution back to the 1080p. Okay. We also can use this IR remote control for the input source switching. Like right now, we switch to the input 2, input 3, input 4, input 1, call view. Okay, so this is how we use the IR remote control and the hotkey on the keyboard for the source switching, audio switching, resolution switching, and also the working mode switching. Okay, this part is about the image rotating function on multi-viewer. So basically right now we can use this IR remote control for the image rotating. When the quad view, we also can rotate each window to 180 degrees. Right now, if we hit the rotate 1, you will have this image rotate 180 degrees. And if we hit the rotate 2, also same. If we hit it again, you will rotate back. And rotate 3, rotate 4. As you can see, right now we already have 4 windows are rotated 100 degrees. We just have them rotate back. And except we rotate the image in the quad view mode, we also can just rotate the with the single working mode. We can just hit the rotate 1, can rotate 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 227 degrees, and rotate back. And we also switch to a different source, the input 2. The same, we also can rotate and also hit the rotate 1, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and rotate back. Input 3, input 4, input 1. Okay, so this is the image rotate function on this multi-viewer. And when the single working mode, we can rotate 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 227 degrees, and rotate back. And when the multi-view, we can rotate each window 180 degrees. Okay, thank you.